The SUMIFS formula is an extremely valuable formula in Excel because it allows you to add up a value such as revenue based on criteria such as the item that was sold or the color of the item that was sold or a combination of both. So you use this formula, just go into the column that you want the value to be added up into, equals SUMIFS, and yes, there is a SUMIF version, it's non-plural, but this is a lot more limiting than SUMIFS because it allows you to only have one criteria, where for example with SUMIF you can only find the amount of revenue earned from shirts, but SUMIFS allows you to find the amount of revenue earned from white shirts. So SUMIFS, plural, open parentheses. The first criteria is the sum range, which is the range of values that you want to be added up, and in this case it's the revenue value. The next argument is the criteria range, which basically is just like the column that has the value that you want to be searched for. Your limiting criteria determines the amount of revenue that you want it to be added up. So in our case it's the item, since you're trying to find the amount of revenue earned from shirts. The next value is the criteria, which is the value that they want to be searched in the criteria range to limit what is added up in your sum range. So in this case it's just shirt. And this can also be used for multiple criteria. So let's say you wanted to find the amount of revenue earned from white shirts. Equals SUMIFS. Same argument as the first time, revenue, because that's the value that we're trying to find. So here's criteria range 1, and first we're going to want to search by the item that was sold, which is going to let us have the item column be the criteria range 1. The next value is the criteria 1, which is the value that wants to be searched in the criteria range 1 to kind of like determine what you want it to be added up. The next value is going to limit the revenue that's added up even further by the color white. So we can go to this column right here, and our criteria range is going to be the color because that's what we want to be searched for our second criteria, which is the color of the shirt that was sold. Close parentheses, enter, and that's what we get. And just so I can see it again, here's another example. Close parentheses, sum range. Criteria range 1 is the item. Criteria 1 is socks. It's the item that you want to be added up. Range 2 is the color. And the last criteria is maroon. Give us that value. So I really hope that this helped. Please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.